You're welcome to Mathematics Lessons online tutorial class. We are looking at trigonometry. This is a right angle triangle having an angle theta, the sides C, A, and B. Okay. This is a triangle having also sides C, A, and B, and angles A, B, and C. Now, firstly, we are using Pythagoras theorem. We are stating the theorems from trigonometry. The Pythagoras theorem. From the Pythagoras theorem here, we know that c square, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to a square plus b square. So if we want to look for, take note, c is equal to hypotenuse, which is the longest side. A is equal to opposite. The side facing the angle is the opposite, while B is the adjacent side. B is the adjacent side. Okay, so if we are looking for the hypotenuse, we add the opposite side and the adjacent side, the square. If we are looking for the opposite side, we subtract hypotenuse square minus adjacent square, and also for adjacent is hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Alright, now to the trigonometric ratios. Okay, I'll rub this off because the board is not so wide. Okay. Now, for the trigonometric ratios, we have trigonometry ratios. Okay, we can use the abbreviation SO CA TOA. Okay, SO CA TOA. Okay, we can use the abbreviation where for this right angle we are saying sine theta. O is for opposite. Remember, opposite is the side facing the angle over what? Hypotenuse. That is H. Okay? Our opposite here is A, while our hypotenuse here is C. Then if you are going to scar, which is cos theta, we have that cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse, I can abbreviate that. Adjacent over hypotenuse, which is equal to B over C. While my tan theta, which is OA, is opposite over adjacent. This is equal to A over B. So these are the three major trigonometric ratios. We have cos, we have sine, cos, and tan theta. Okay, but we also have others. I'll rub this off. Apart from sine, cosine, and tangents, we also have other ratios. Okay, we also have other ratios. We have sec theta, which is equal to 1 over value of cos theta. Okay, this is equal to C over A, using what we have here, sorry, C over B. C over B. We also have cosec theta. Cosec theta is the same thing as 1 over sine theta. Okay, 1 over sine theta is the same thing as C over A. Okay, while we have the last cot theta for now, we have cot theta equal to 1 over tan theta. Okay, 1 over tan theta is equal to B over A. Alright, so these are the trigonometric ratios. These are the trigonometric ratios. We also have sine ratios and cosine ratios. For now, we will be looking at these trigonometric ratios and we'll use them to solve a question before we go over to sine rule and cosine rule. So I'll rub this off and bring forward a question. So we have a question here. We have a right angle triangle. Okay. This is our right angle. This is a x. This is a theta. This is a value 13. This is 12. The question says, find angle theta and x. Find the value of angle theta and x. Solution. Okay, to find x, remember we said c square equal to a square plus b square. In other words, 13 square is equal to 12 square plus x square. Alright, so x square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. We have that x square equal to 169 minus 144. And that will give us x square equal to 25. Okay, for us to get the actual value, of x, okay, we find the square root of both sides. So x is equal to square root of 25, which is equal to 5. Okay, so the value of x is 5. Okay, to find the angle theta, I'll rub this off right now. To find the angle theta, remember we have sine theta equal to opposite. Over hypotenuse. In this question, our opposite is equal to 12, hypotenuse equal to 13. Why? This is the side facing the angle. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. Okay, and this is the hypotenuse. Alright, so sine theta is equal to 12 over 13. and 12 over 13 will give us 0.923. Okay, to get the actual value, we say theta equal to shift the value, sine the value of 923, and that will give me 19.2, sorry, no, 67.4. 67.4 degree. So this is the value of theta. So in other words, you have x equal to 5 and theta is equal to 67.4 degree. In our next class, we'll be looking at sine rule, cosine rule, and other problems. Thank you for watching.